Hi all, before going to the video, I'll just tell one thing. The video is full and full imaginary. So this is just for entertainment purpose. All the characters are just imagination of mine. So don't take it serious. Enjoy the video. See you. Bye.
India to go under complete lockdown due to coronavirus. I don't know where the country is going. In my days and all, corona and all was not even there. What do you want? I wanted to speak with you for 2 minutes. Yeah, I know. If you want anything only, no, you will come and speak with me. Otherwise, you will speak with your mom only. Tell me, pa. Your exams are over. Successfully an engineer now. Yes, pa. Tell me, what do you want? That's what, pa. I'm planning to do for MBA, pa. Planning for MBA. So another 10 lakhs loan. Pa, if we invest now only, we can get good returns in future. Daddy, this is the same dialogue you used before 4 years while you joined engineering. Only one time you can fool this daddy. Again you can't fool. Okay? This time it's different, pa. Please, pa. Okay, pa. You do something and come up in life. Whole family believes you only. Remember that one. Mother is there. You have a sister. You have a brother who is studying. So you only have to go and earn something. Father has become old. So it's up to you, pa. You usually take the responsibilities. Don't worry, pa. This time I will definitely join this college, study well and get a job offer of 10 lakhs per annum, pa. Okay, pa. Then, when is your class starting? When are you going to go to Bangalore? Next week, pa. It's an online only. Online classes. Online class, ah. If you go to college itself, you will fail in every subject and you will get arrear. Online class sitting at home. Brilliant. All the best, pa. Focus and study on your classes. No, pa. I will pass.
Okay students, let's continue with our discussion. What were you discussing in the last class? Anyone? I want answers. Anyone?
Sir, we discussed about types of marketing, sir. Global marketing, international marketing, and that's all, sir.
Types of market. Yeah, types of market. What are the types of market? Is standard local market, regional market, international market, and that and all. So what is your understanding from these terms? What is regional marketing? Because you have to ask more questions. I expect more questions. Okay. What is your understanding? Anyone?
So local marketing is the marketing which we target specific group of people, sir. We do not see the area or people among that. We only target a specific group, sir.
Very good. Very good point. Good point. Very good understanding. But who can say? Anyone? Anyone else? Who can say?
Next question.
I expect answers from the experienced people who have experience. Shivajit, are you there? Shivajit? I am expecting answers from you, Shivajit. I am telling again and again, drop your baggage of experience. Experience gives you only skills, but knowledge you can get only through learning. Anyone? Any experienced people?
Sir, this is Sriram here. What you told is exactly right, but I couldn't understand anything from it, sir. Can you please explain it so that everyone can easily understand? That's why.
Okay.
What is this topic? I can't understand. Wait, let me Google it.
Anyone?
Sir, can I answer, sir? Sure, 1 minute.
Services in order to create, exchange and satisfy individual and organizational objectives.
Yes, correct. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
But who told the answer? Who was that?
Oops.
Okay, we'll meet you in next discussion. We'll see you in next class. Okay. What? Attendance? No. Generally, I don't take attendance. I'm very free. Good morning, students. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Okay, Baba, let's start the session, okay? Ma'am, is this OB1 session or OB2 session, ma'am? Ma'am, I think it's OB1, ma'am, OB1. I think it's OB2, ma'am, not OB1. No, it's one only. Hey, this is not at all OB session. This is a colloquium session. Be quiet and listen to the speaker. Started quarreling OB1 now, OB2.
The next day.
Okay, guys, now we will start the OB class. Is this OB1 or OB2? No. It's OB1. OB1 only. We'll start the class. Today we are going to see. Are you guys hearing the background sound? It is so disturbing, na? I don't know how they start whenever correctly I take the class only. There is some construction work going on for past 1 year near my house. Still it's going on. So that disturbance only it's coming for you. So please bear with me. Okay, today we'll start about. It's too annoying, no? I don't know correctly how when we start the class only we will start the work. See, now it's clear. I will just start the class. Today we are going to see. See, it's time to start. Okay, we'll go into the class now. Okay, Baba, I think today we can't take our class in this sound. So we'll postpone it to the next session. Okay, so we'll combine OB1 and OB2 session and we'll take the class in. Okay, chalo, okay, bye. We'll see you in the next class. Tata. No problem, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. You carry on, ma'am. We'll see you in the next class, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, you're starting the session, 1 minute. Hey guys, wait. Don't start the work yet. I'll tell you. Stop. Now start the drilling. Stop. I'll tell you again. Start the drilling. Okay, whenever ma'am speaks, I'll tell you, you have to start the work, okay? Whenever she doesn't take class, you can stop, no problem. That's our billing. 60-40 payment, I'll send you by evening. Okay, good. Mission successful.
A plus B into bracket square करे तो रिजल्ट आता है A square plus 2AB plus B square.
Hello, sir. The video is not clear, sir. So the quality is very blurred, sir. Board is very blurred, sir. Sir, the audio is not clear, sir. Sir, we are fast forwarding, sir. We can't see what you have written on the board, sir. Sir, there's some network issue, sir. We can't see you. We can't hear you properly, sir. Sir, we can't see the top part of the board, sir. The top portion is missing, sir. Hey, I didn't even start anything, da. Now only I'm taking my pen to write something on the board. So that voice is breaking, video not visible, board not visible. What someone said? Writing in the board is not visible, I didn't even write. There's a blank board. Hey, wait, cool down, guys, cool down. I know you are very interested to study DA, but still, wait, cool down, okay? We'll go to the class, Okay, students, who can answer this problem now? Tell me.
Sir, the answer is 3/4, sir.
Very good, very good. Who told the answer? By the way, who told the answer?
Sir, it's me, Nishant, sir.
Nishant. Okay, very good, Nishant. Very good. Okay, now who will tell the answer for this second sum?
Sir, the second one answer is 1/3, sir.
Correct. Exactly. Who told that answer?
It's Nishant here, sir.
Nishant. Okay, super Nishant. Super. Well done. Okay, now who will tell me the third one? Third answer is very difficult. You have to think and tell. Who will tell the third one?
Sir, it's 4/4. That is 1, sir.
Yeah. Again, Nishant. Is it lovely? I love your enthusiasm, Nishant. But still, let others also answer. Okay, Nishant. Okay, tell me the fifth answer. Who will tell? Who's ready? Has anyone solved fifth answer?
Sir, it is 5.4, sir.
Nishant, okay, you only told I don't know. Is it a one-to-one chat or is it a group chat? Oh, everybody is there. Anyone answer other than Nishant? Nishant is correct. I will give the class to Nishant. He can take it from tomorrow. I will be on 2 days holiday. Okay, so I think Nishant will continue the work. Okay, Nishant? Yeah, I was doing joking. Yeah, just joking. If you don't get the joke, you should recall. That will be very much attractive and very easily you can get it. Yeah. This is also a joke only. Yeah.